After sextortion, a social media return can feel like stepping into a minefield. You may worry that the blackmailer is watching, waiting, or preparing to strike again. Many victims abandon social platforms entirely out of fear, but long-term avoidance can isolate you and allow criminals to retain psychological power. Sextortion attacks hold the ability to make you feel unsafe everywhere online, even when the threat has passed. Learning how to return safely is part of reclaiming control. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step plan to safely return to social media after sextortion, covering how to lock down your privacy, reduce exposure, spot ongoing risks, and rebuild confidence online without giving fear or criminals control. How social media became a weapon. Sextortion evolved alongside social media growth. Criminals realized that platforms offering messaging, photos, and public visibility created ideal leverage. Early cases relied on personal embarrassment, but modern sextortion exploits privacy gaps, tagged photos, friend lists, and algorithmic exposure. Law enforcement agencies warn that criminals use social platforms to amplify fear, often relying on perceived exposure rather than guaranteed follow-through. While you can't let this fear dictate your life, it is critical to treat every threat with the utmost seriousness. Fear versus reality online. Today's sextortion criminals often move quickly, then disappear once resistance increases. While threats feel imminent, available reporting suggests that actual follow-through occurs far less frequently than threats are issued. However, fear persists because social media feels uncontrollable. Cybersecurity experts emphasize that tightening privacy settings, limiting visibility, and monitoring impersonation risks significantly reduce real-world exposure, even when victims resume normal use. Avoidance gives criminals power. Completely withdrawing from social media can disrupt work, relationships, and emotional support systems. Avoidance reinforces fear and keeps the trauma active. Psychologists note that gradual, controlled re-engagement restores confidence and reduces hypervigilance. Regaining digital autonomy is a critical step in psychological recovery after blackmail. Signs it's a safe time to return. There is no perfect moment to feel completely fearless again, but there are clear indicators that you're psychologically and practically ready to re-engage. These signs don't mean the fear is gone. They mean you have enough awareness and control to return safely without letting anxiety dictate your choices. The immediate threat has stabilized. You understand basic privacy controls. Fear is present but manageable. You want connection, not isolation. You feel ready to regain control gradually. What to do before logging back in. A safe reentry plan. Before you reopen your accounts, it's important to take a few strategic steps to reduce exposure and eliminate unnecessary risk. A careful reentry plan helps ensure that your return is proactive and controlled, not reactive or driven by pressure or fear. Audit and lock down privacy settings across all platforms. Remove unnecessary personal information and public visibility. Monitor for impersonation or fake accounts. Return gradually, starting with private interactions. Do not block the blackmailer if the case is unresolved, as evidence from the interaction may still be needed. Consider the benefits of working with a private cybersecurity firm to monitor exposure and neutralize ongoing risks. Social media does not belong to criminals. Sextortion aims to exile victims from their digital lives. Returning safely to social media is not reckless. It is a statement of recovery. With the right precautions and professional support, you can reconnect without surrendering control to fear. At Blackmail.HelpLine, our services don't end after your investigation has concluded. Our experts can help you reacclimate to the digital world by providing safe practices that can help you prevent repeat attacks. Furthermore, we can assess your current security system and habits to help you position yourself to safely resume your online interactions. We have helped thousands of victims reclaim their online presence using investigative and cybersecurity methods such as digital footprint analysis and exposure monitoring. If you ever fall victim to sextortion and fear returning online, we can help restore your peace of mind. Call 888-634-1535 or visit Blackmail.HelpLine.com to get started with a free consultation with one of our specialists. Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at Blackmail.HelpLine.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.